What's going on, guys? As you see, I'm already in my account because time is the most valuable asset when it comes to starting an online business. I don't want to take your time, and also I respect my own time as well. So let's just get to things really quick, guys. So as you see, I'm already in my account and I'm making anything from $1,000 to $3,000 every single day. We got some $3,000 days. The thing is, I'm not making this video to show off what I'm making, but the reason I'm actually showing you my account just right off the bat here is that I want you to see what's possible when you have the right strategy. What's possible when you know exactly what you're doing. What's possible when you know what super affiliates are doing to make commissions, you know, like $2,000 or $3,000 every single day. So that is the kind of income that people can earn when when they know exactly what they're doing. All right, guys. Now, what's really interesting about this is that all this is being generated from me working about 30 minutes a day to an hour every single day. I'm not killing myself to make commissions like this. It's just really all autopilot, and it's just happening by itself. I'm just kind of managing the whole thing. I'm not really doing much right now. I want to tell you this, that in the beginning, you're not going to be making money like this, okay? It's not going to look like this at all. Imagine something like this, because this is a quite powerful system. Imagine, let's look at the smallest day, like, there you go. So 597, right? So let me open this transactions. So as you see, this particular day, which was a really slow day, $460 and 136 totaled, 597 in total sales commissions, basically. So imagine you make this much a week, not even a single day, a week, okay? Because in the beginning, it's really hard to make $3,000 every single day, okay? But even $500 a week, that's going to be an extra $2,000. Think about how much an extra $2,000 is going to change your life, okay? Again, I don't want you to see Lambos and stuff like that, but I want you to see an extra $500 a week, because that's very much possible. And think about how much that's going to change your life. This is what I mean by knowing what you're doing when you have the right strategy. This is exactly how it's going to be. All right, guys? Now, what I want to do is I want to actually show you this whole thing in detail. I want to explain how I'm making sales like this. All right, and how you can do the same thing, because the really incredible thing about this is that, again, I'm not doing much, and this is a system that is being used by top level affiliates, you know, like super affiliates, and also a very small group of my students as well. All right, and this thing is gonna put you light years ahead of anyone else out there. Light years ahead of anyone else. It's quite incredible, and it's just a very different and amazing way to make money and make commissions, you know, affiliate commissions like this. So pay attention, because I'm going to explain exactly how this whole thing works.